And then some student has maybe high level, some student has a low level, and that doesn't matter always. I always say, when you actually get out this group session, is everybody native, which is super fast conversation. So anyway, it's a good exercise to join a little bit high level or low level, whatever is. It's good to actually exercise how to join the conversation easily. Some people speak fast, some people speak slow, and that's actually I actually discover interesting things. And 日本語 Japanese language is one of the most difficult language, it's said. 日本語は、一番難しい言語と言われていますね。It's said. で、単語 vocabulary、何個ぐらいあると思いますか？ How many actual words exist in Japanese? What do you think? The answer is actually about the letter is yes, like English, Spanish to 26 letter, but in Japanese exists 50,000 letters. But it's basic, actually, basic kanji can be 2,500 letters. But this is about the letters. And I was searching the words. So it's Korean is really million words. So actually, anyone here choose a second language as Japanese is, good luck. So, because you didn't exercise anything for easiest language, jump to the one of the most difficult language. Yeah, that's why no worries. So that's why that as Kendall-san said, when the people say, "Oh, are you fluent or not?" It's really difficult to judge what is a fluency, but it's just daily communication.